Hey YouTubers, I got a tip for you on Aquaguard floor installation real quick.
You want to take your plank, kind of so you can see what the orientation is of it. And on this edge right here, you want to get rid of this piece. Just rip it off, and then we turn it over. And then right in this corner, we're going to trim it back a little bit. And I'd do this more carefully and not with this style if I wasn't trying to film this for you guys. And I would probably take it off a little more, a little further back. But that should be. And that's what you want to do. And then this thing will fit together a lot better, guaranteed. I tried not doing this multiple times because I thought, the piece looks perfect, I won't do it. But when you're putting this thing together, this is the corner that gets hung up the most. And when you do this, it just goes together real easy. If you don't do it, it won't be going together easy. That's it.